Hello everyone, my name is Lutfi Saputra. Other people usually call me Lutfi. I am college student of Industrial Engineering at Mulawarman University. I hope all of you are staying healthy right now because the cause of the pandemic of COVID-19. Talking about pandemic, in this video I would like to talk about the impact of pandemic on economy. It is like from the title, no work, no money, economy become the other problem during pandemic in Indonesia. It is based from my opinion, what I see near me and some source I had read. So let's start it. We know that COVID-19 is one of the biggest threats in this century. The spread started from Wuhan, China, to other countries very quickly. The impact of this pandemic has not only taken by spreads of the coronavirus which threaten our life, but pandemic of COVID-19 also attack other aspects of life. One of the important aspects of life is economy. International Monetary Fund (IMF) estimate that the world will lose 12 trillion USD in economic output over the next 2 years as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Then, what about the economic situation in Indonesia? How does the COVID-19 pandemic affect the economy in Indonesia? And is there a solution for that problem? All of that question will be answered in this video. For dealing with the spread and victims of the coronavirus, Indonesian government made a policy to conduct self-quarantine for 14 days and declare large-scale social restriction. So that means we are at home and avoid direct contact with other people unless we have certain interests by following COVID-19 protocols. That was stated by the President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, or we usually call him Jokowi. Jokowi advised people to stay, work, and pray at home. According to Jokowi back then, this step needed to be done so that the handling of COVID-19 could be done more optimally. Also, the precautionary measures taken by the government can reduce the rate of the spread and victim of COVID-19. It has another impact on the economy of Indonesia, especially for poor and low-income people. Activity limitation is the cause of the problem. It makes a big impact on business activities, causing problems in economic sector. A report from Badan Pusat Statistik (BPS) in August stated that Indonesia's economic growth in second quarter of 2020 was minus 5.32%. Previously, in the first quarter of 2020, BPS also reported that Indonesian economic growth only grew by 2.97%. down considerably from the previous growth of 5.02% in the same period in 2019. The sharp decline in economic performance was due to restriction on activities that had an impact on employment in Indonesia. First, the unemployment rate increased as a result of the layoff. Based on data from the Kementerian Ketenagakerjaan (Kemnaker) on 7 April 2020, as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, there were 39,977 companies in the formal sector that chose to lay off their workers. In total, there are 1,010,579 workers affected by the pandemic. In detail, 873,090 workers from 70,200 2024, companies were laid off, while 137,000 and 489 workers were laid off from 22,075 three companies, and the number of employment increased until now. And for people working in the informal sector don't have the luxury of working from home as their job cannot be done remotely. In 2019, people working in informal sector account for 57.2% of Indonesian workforce, or around 74 million people. As many as 25.14 million people live under the poverty line, that is about 9% of Indonesian population. So that means that people risk losing their solid income source. Therefore, the government made a new policy. It is new normal. New normal itself means that we can continue running activities as usual. However, provide that we always apply the COVID-19 health protocol, such as using masks when on the public place, washing hands with soap, and applying physical distancing. So new normal becomes a new scenario that not only accelerate the handling of the COVID-19 disease, but also the social and economic problems that were previously really problematic. So it is hoped that with new normal, the Indonesian economy will slowly recover. Maybe this year is the hardest year for all of us. Many problems we have faced, even though it is difficult to obey the protocols during this new normal for our safety. Let's hope this pandemic ends soon so that we can do our activities as before. Stay safe and stay healthy. That's all I can say. And if you want to know about the inspiration for this topic and where I got those data, you can check on my column description. So see you and goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. I hope all of you enjoy it and useful for you.